Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Kia Sportage. First, gather your tools: a wrench, oil filter remover, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct engine oil, typically 0W20 or 5W30, and a new filter. Park your Sportage on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change process. Now, let's drain the old oil. Safely lift your Kia Sportage using a jack and jack stands or drive onto ramps. Locate the oil drain plug, usually a 17mm or 19mm bolt, at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath. Carefully remove the plug and let the old oil drain completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on hand tight. Reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 25 to 30 foot-pounds. Finally, add the new oil through the filler cap, usually about 8 to 5 quarts. After refilling, lower your Sportage and check the oil level with the dipstick. Add more oil if necessary to reach the full mark. Start the engine and let it run for a minute or two to circulate the new oil, then turn it off and recheck for any leaks around the drain plug or filter. Remember to dispose of the old oil responsibly. For other great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, see the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.